Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, shooting video 3 today. So we have the Crosman 1322 out with the stock on it, and we're shooting about 34 feet away with open sights. So I had to get my regular glasses on or I wouldn't be able to see a darn thing. So anyways, we're going to start out with pointed pellets with this thing and see what we can knock down. I was actually surprised I didn't have to do anything with the left and rights on this, just the elevation had to go up just a hair, so let's pump her up. Oh, 10 pumps takes a while. This gun has some serious authority in it. There was a problem with valves a few years ago in these guns, and even getting replacement valves. They're shooting really weak. Looks like they fixed their problem. Now if you want to, you could over pump this thing a little bit, but we're just going to 10 pumps. Forgot about how much pumpers can really wear you out. Oh, a little high. Gotta bring that down just a little lower. Little lower. I think maybe we'll just shoot the pointed pellets today. Oh, it didn't stay down. Fun part's going to be resetting this thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait for a second here. He's weed whacking over there. Anyway, so far I'm pretty impressed with this gun, guys. Looks like they fixed their problems for sure with the power. She packs a heck of a wallop. I'm really impressed. And I like it better with the stock on it. It's a lot easier to shoot, more accurate. I've never been one that's been that awesome of a shooter with a pistol, but throw a stock on there and it's not too bad, really. It's pretty good. So, I'm actually really impressed. Okay, now she's out of the way. Let's take this final shot and see if we can reset the target. Alright, let's go grab those pellets. Well guys, I'm going to put these about 480, 490-ish. I'd say that gun is pretty darn respectable these days. I am really super happy with those results of squish. So that's really awesome. And I even got vaporized pieces in my hand too. So yeah, definitely a great gun, and shooting open sights at this range. That's interesting, let me tell you. I definitely got to invest in a steel breech and a scope for this thing, but that'd be a deadly little sniper toy for sure. So I'm definitely going to do a couple of upgrades, including lightening up the trigger a bit. So yeah, if you're looking for a really nice, powerful non-PAL gun, shoots in the high 480s for sure. This is definitely the beast for you. This whole kit was $147 Canadian at Lefebvre Sport and Hobby. Came with the gun, the stock, the pellet pouch that I have on the side here, as well as a can of pellets and some shooting glasses. That's a great deal for the money. I don't know how you can say no, and being 22 caliber, you just saw it yourself. It does a really nice knockdown job. And if you're going to miss, it's going to be you. So, but and like I said, I didn't even have to adjust the windage on this, just the elevation just a little tiny bit, and that was it for 10-meter shooting. So, if I double that distance, I can still plink them off. There's more than enough horsepower in this gun to get out to 20 meters plus. So, there you go. So, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, before we go to the rating, I'm going to put this at 4 3/4 out of 5. I gotta do it. It is just definitely, it is a really nice, hard-hitting, deadly accurate gun. Just like the package says, hits hard and accurate. So definitely a win-win in my book. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you on the next one.